How to turn off Facebook ad preferences. This tutorial shows you how to stop seeing ads from specific advertisers on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device and tap the three lines at the top left to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings. Then tap on Account Center. After that, tap on Ad Preferences. This is where Facebook stores all the data it uses to show you targeted ads. In the next step, tap on Advertisers you've seen ads from. Tap See All to load the complete list of every advertiser that has shown you an ad recently. From here, tap on any advertiser you want to stop seeing ads from. At the bottom, tap Hide Ads to stop ads from that specific advertiser from appearing in your feed. Finally, go back and repeat this for as many advertisers as you want. The more you hide, the more you clean up what shows up in your feed. And that's it. If this guide helped you take control of your Facebook ads, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.